Hey there, my amazing English learners. Welcome back to another episode of Learning English with NDM. Whether this is your first time here or you're part of our growing learning family, I'm so happy you're here today. And listen, if you really want to learn English and speak with confidence, don't skip this video. This episode is going to give you real, practical steps that actually work. So stick with me all the way to the end. Now, let me ask you, have you ever wanted to say something in English, but froze? Maybe your heart started racing, your mind went blank, and the words just disappeared? Trust me, you're not alone. Today's episode is all about how to be confident in speaking English. I'm here to help you take that fear, turn it into power, and speak with courage, no matter your level. Let's dive in. What is confidence? Confidence doesn't mean speaking perfectly. It doesn't mean knowing every word in the dictionary. Confidence is the ability to express yourself, even if it's not perfect. It means you try, even if you're nervous. It means you speak up, because your voice matters. Let's be real, confident speakers are not always fluent, but fluent speakers? They became fluent by practicing, even when it felt scary. And today, you're going to learn how to do that too. Why we lose confidence. Why is speaking English so hard sometimes? Maybe you're afraid of making a mistake. You worry about your accent. You don't want people to laugh or judge you. Or maybe you compare yourself to others. All of that is normal, but here's the truth. Every confident speaker you've ever seen started with fear. They just didn't let it stop them. You can train your brain to feel more relaxed, just like building a muscle. Let's look at 5 simple habits to build that speaking confidence. 5 confidence-boosting habits. 1. Speak every day, even to yourself. You don't need a partner to practice. Narrate your actions. I'm cooking. I'm writing. I'm learning English right now. When your brain gets used to hearing English from you, confidence follows. 2. Shadow native speakers. Find a YouTube video or podcast, pause after each sentence, and repeat it. Same tone, same emotion. It's like acting, and it trains your voice to sound confident. Let's try it now. I can speak English with confidence. Say it again, louder. I can speak English with confidence. You sound great already. 3. Celebrate small wins. Confidence grows when you notice progress. Maybe you said hello to a stranger. Maybe you understood a podcast. Maybe you're just listening to this episode, and that's amazing. Be proud of yourself. Small wins lead to big results. 4. Use positive self-talk. Replace I can't with I'm learning. Replace I sound bad with I'm getting better. Talk to yourself like someone you love, because your voice matters. 5. Speak with real people. Start small. Send a short voice message to a friend. Join a language group. Try 1-minute conversations. Real practice brings real progress, and people will respect you for trying. Quick practice together. Let's do a little confidence exercise together. Repeat after me. I'm learning English, and I'm proud of myself. I'm not afraid of making mistakes. Speaking English is getting easier every day. I believe in myself. That's the mindset of a confident speaker. So here's your quick mission for today. Say 1 full English sentence out loud. Today, just 1. To yourself, to your mirror, to a friend, it doesn't matter. What matters is you speak. And if this episode helped you feel even 1% more confident, then please subscribe to this channel, Learning English with NDM, because I've got so many more helpful lessons coming your way. Let's grow together, one confident step at a time. Thanks for listening, and remember, you're learning, you're growing, and you're doing great. Until next time, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.